Now this one is a classic. How many years have I planned this? Too many times to count. Tonight we're going to draw Dimetrodon, an ancient reptile that I've really enjoyed. I find this creature to be exhilarating and interesting. I love it. Alexa, what is Dimetrodon?
A metronome is a device that produces an audible click or other sound at a regular interval that can be set by the user, typically in beats per minute. Metronomes may include synchronized visual motion. Musicians use the device to practice playing to a regular pulse. A kind of metronome was among the inventions of Andalusian polymath Abbas ibn Firnas.
Sorry about that. Alexa, can you tell me about Dimetrodon?
Sorry, I don't know that.
Let me attempt that again. Alexa, what is Dimetrodon?
Dimetrodon, meaning two measures of teeth, is an extinct genus of non-mammalian synapsid that lived during the Cisuralian, around 295 to 272 million years ago. It is a member of the family Sphenacodontidae, with most species measuring 1.7 to 4.6 meters long and weighing 28 to 250 kilograms. The most prominent feature of Dimetrodon is the large neural spine sail on its back formed by elongated spines extending from the vertebrae.
That's an interesting fact about Dimetrodon. The first time I saw him was on Chased by Dinosaurs. And another thing about Dimetrodon, well, for starters, he actually got his debut on Jurassic World Dominion. Congratulations, Dimetrodon. I'm proud of you. There we are. Now we just draw this mark here. Let's see if we can make this sail bigger. And the sail to be a bit longer. Okay then. I feel like the sail should be longer. There we go. There we are. Oh, God. There we are. There. There he is. That is how you draw Dimetrodon. Perfect, isn't he? There we are. Just to remind you guys, Dimetrodon has been one of my top 10 dinosaur favorites, even though he was around during the early Peruvian exhibition. And to be honest, I hope to see this guy more in action. I've always been a huge fan of the Dimetrodon series. Hopefully we'll get to see more like this. Excuse me moments, I just trying to get over a bad throat. By the way, Dimetrodon had evolved using a... Well, they evolved with a really set of jaws, and how they always cut through their prey. I really don't want to refer to that. Anyway, there are still more dinosaurs out there to draw, and I will finally get it done by the end of the year, and the year after that. Don't worry guys, the dinosaur drawing is endless. I will not stop until they're all complete.